Let's start with the preliminaries here. We import the module turtle. We use the letter T as the shortened version of the TURTLE in writing commands. We write the SCREEN for the screen commands. And I put here the command screen.colormode 255 because I'm using the RGB using the 1 to 255. And then the pen size here and the speed, it just depends. They just depend on you. Now let me define the tripoint here. The tripoint I'm talking about is on the right side here of the screen. I hope that you can see this one here. This is a tripoint, the one in solid lines. And then each tripoint has a pair with it. So as you can see, we have the solid line tripoint and we have the dotted line tripoint. Okay, how do we draw the tripoint? Actually, numbers 7 up to 15, they define. Okay, they are definition or the procedure. Definition or the procedure for drawing the tripoint. First, we put the pen up because I'm going to 0, 0 and I do not want to generate a line. That's command number 9. And then I go forward X units. The X initially is defined in line number 16. So how is that? Let me go to the drawing on the right side here. The 0, 0 is right here. So this is 0, 0. Let me specify that. And then that's line number 9. and then I go forward. So I go forward because the turtle is directed this way until I reach this point here. Incidentally, this line is invisible because the pen is up, invisible, and the length is x. Initially, it is 50. Okay, 50 initially. Now, once I am at this point here, okay, once I am at this point here, the direction of the turtle is like this. But since I'm going to draw this arc here, I'm going to draw this arc here. What I need to do is change the direction of the turtle so that the direction is like this. So that means I have to turn the turtle to the left by 150 degrees. That is command number 12. Incidentally, before drawing the arc, I put the pen down so that the arc will be visible. And then after turning the turtle to the left 150 degrees, I will start with this one here. I will have 3 arcs. There are 3 arcs in the tripoint here. This is the first one here. And then the second one is this one here. Okay, I'm just drawing over the yellow model here. That's the second one there. And then the third arc is this one here. So as you can see, I have the number 3 here for the 3 arcs. The command for the arc is this one, circle x 120. So initially, the x, remember, is 50. The angle over which we're drawing the arc is 120 degrees. Okay, so we can draw this arc here. After turning the turtle to the left 150. Okay, what happens after drawing the first arc in line number 14? So after drawing the first arc here, let me retrace the first arc. I'm retracing the first arc. The direction of the turtle is gonna be like this one here. This is the direction of the turtle. But the second arc is like this. Okay. So what I need to do is change the direction of the turtle like this. And that will mean an angle of 120 degrees. This is line number 15. Okay, since these lines number 14 and 15 are done 3 times, so I'm gonna repeat for the second arc here. For this is the second arc. The direction of the turtle is like that, and then I need to change the direction of the turtle like this so that I can draw the second arc, and this change of direction involves 120 degrees. So that's the second repetition of numbers 14 and 15. And for the third repetition, I am drawing the third arc. I am retracing that. And then the direction of the turtle is gonna be like that. Okay. But then we don't stop here. Note that number 15 says you have to turn the turtle left 120 degrees. So I have to turn it like this, approximately. Okay. This is 120 degrees. So that means this is the direction of the turtle, the direction of turtle after, yeah, after one tripoint. Okay, so we are done with one tripoint, but remember we are going to have pairs of tripoints for each x. Now let's go to the execution here from number 16 up to number 26. We start with x is equal to 50. We're going to use that for the size of the tripoint. And then the R and the G here, they are actually values of the red and the green. So what we have in the RGB is going to be 255 for the red, 255 for the green, and then 0 for the blue. This one means yellow. So as you can see on the right side, the first tripoint is colored yellow. And then now we're going to draw 10 pairs. 10 pairs, okay, 10 up 2 of the tripoints. And for each drawing of the tripoint, we need to specify the pen color. At this point, since this is the first tripoint, we're drawing yellow because R is 255 here, G is 255, and blue is 0. And then this is very important. We're calling here the function tripoint x. That means we have to execute lines number 7, this one here, up to line number 15. Sorry, line number 15. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Those are the commands for this function here, tripoint x. Initially, the x is 50. And then after doing the tripoint here, look the direction. The direction of the turtle on the right of your screen is like this. What we need to do is to draw the second tripoint, the pair of the first tripoint. So what we need to do is make the direction of the turtle like this, because I am going from 0, 0 to, I am tracing now the invisible line to this point here and start with the drawing of the pair of the first tripoint. Now the angle between this line here on the right side of your screen and this line here is 30 degrees. So you can see here, I have here 30 degrees in line number 30. So what we're doing here, let me repeat, we're going to draw 10 pairs of the tripoints, and the tripoints after each pair will have different color. The R is diminishing and the G is diminishing, but G is diminishing faster than the R here, and then the X is increasing. Okay, and this is how the final image is generated.